Management. It's one of the largest infrastructure departments in the city, and we are responsible for buying, maintaining, and fueling all city-owned vehicles. We've got almost 13,000 pieces of equipment. We have Segways, vans and pickup trucks and sedans, the little ATVs that police use downtown, garbage trucks, dump trucks. We've got a helicopter, snow plows, and then we have a few boats as well. Almost half of those are our light-duty fleet. So that was one of the places we focused first, was to see ways of optimizing that part of the fleet. Traditionally, what we would do is assign a set of pool vehicles to a department. Most of the time, those vehicles would just be sitting. And so what we looked to do was to put those vehicles into more active service so that we could reduce the number overall. We're moving to a model that's called Flex Fleet. It's a car sharing program, which means that you go online and you reserve a car at a specific time that you need it. And by doing that, we're making sure that the vehicles are used more efficiently. We hope that in the Flex Fleet, the utilization will be closer to 80% than the 20 or 30% that we're seeing now. Using this program, by the end of 2013, we hope to remove about 140 vehicles from the fleet. And that'll save us about $2 million a year. One of the things that we've done historically is we have bought our vehicles, light-duty vehicles, and we've held them and we've sort of run them into the ground. And so every year we keep repairing and repairing and repairing. By moving to a model where we lease vehicles for 4 years rather than buying them, it reduces our maintenance costs in two ways, really. One, because maintenance of the vehicle is included in the lease, and secondly, younger vehicles, regardless of whether or not they're leased, just require less maintenance. And finally, they save fuel, because by having newer vehicles that are more modern, that are maintained by the leasing company, we're assured of higher fuel efficiency. General Services is the agency that's responsible for maintaining and operating all the city's buildings. Not only do we maintain and operate them, we also buy the power for all of them. One of the things we're doing is looking at how we buy utilities. Specifically, we're focused on natural gas now. We have a request for proposal, it's out on the street, for vendors to supply the city with natural gas. We think by going through this process that allows us to buy more dynamically, we'll be able to save the city money. I think that we are probably the best department to embody sustainable techniques, green initiatives into what we do every day. From a building side, the biggest place that we can help is by saving utilities. So saving electricity and saving natural gas. From a fleet side, we spend a good amount of money, millions and millions of dollars, on diesel fuel, gasoline, and alternative fuel like natural gas or ethanol every year.